I've got some news any home buyer out there wants to hear. I know a lot of you are frustrated by the limited number of homes for sale today, but what if I told you you may have more options than you realize? Here's why. New home construction is ramping up, and according to the latest data, that's true for completions, starts, and permits. Completions are newly built homes that are ready to go. Starts are homes where construction has begun, and permits are where builders plan to break ground soon. For you, this means you've got options at every stage of the construction process. So if you want to move right now, let me take you to the recently completed homes. But if you want to customize something from the ground up, lean on me to show you where builders are just starting to build or just getting a permit. I know what some of you are thinking. You hadn't really considered the newly built home because you assumed they were out of your price range. Let's connect so I can show you what's available in your area and help find the best option for you.